All right, we're fucking back, baby. Opening day of trout season here on Pacific Northwest rivers. And, you know, if you know where this is, obviously you can see how low the river actually is. But I'm pretty excited. It's felt like a goddamn age since we've been on the river. And it really has. So bought this nice little setup, about $30 total, and I just got a nice rooster tail on the end here, and that's what we're gonna use. Plan on going up and down the entire gravel bank here, but holy shit, look at this thing. Oh my god. Hello. Jeez. That was a big one too. Holy shit. Well, I think he knows it's trout season too, you know? Dang, dude. Okay. Are you fucking dead ass? Holy. Okay. Lost out on our green and golds, and now we gotta go to another one. So we're just gonna go with the dark gray and silver. I'd say the dark gray, black. Oh shit, I got too far in the water. Just got my fucking shoe all wet, god damn it. Yeah, my sock's all wet. Alright, let's give him like a good 20 feet, just so I can get to this little area right here. So weird. Ah, little one. Oh, little one. Okay. Come on now. Get in here. Damn, that was like a silent hook. It hooked itself in there. Come on, baby. Get up here. Okay, okay. Come on up. Oh, no! Not again! No! Number 2. What the hell? Bro, no way. Oh, damn it! Damn it! Fucking damn it! God damn it! Bro, I've had 2 chances to have my first fish of the season and they both pop off. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, god damn it, dude. Oh, jeez. Oh, all right, come on. Come on. No, we ain't letting that one through. Come on. Come on. It's a little one. It's just a little guy. Come on. Oh, he's still fighting. Nope. Come here. Don't. Ah, you piece of shit. Again. You're so lucky. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Ah, my hook set just isn't good enough. My hook set isn't good enough. Ah, God. Ah, 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. God. Come on, come on. Come on, yes. Take that nice silver plate. Yes, don't you want it? Yes, come on. Come on, but no, it's spitting out again. No, you gotta be kidding me. No fucking way. No. No, you're fucking lying, bro. You're fucking lying. Okay, we probably have like 2 more spots on this, and then we gotta go. And then we gotta go recharge our phone. Oh, get. Oh, you piece of shit. God, they're hitting everything right now. Come here, come on. This is a race against time now, okay? I want you guys to understand this. This is a race against time. My phone is at 20, probably less than 20% now. It's probably at like, I'd say 15%. So this is a race against time now. Oh, fuck's sake, man, fuck's sake. Missed out on like 5 fish today, dude. We'll be back. We will 100% be back. All right, phone's about to die, so we're gonna go back home, charge back up, and we'll be back. We will be back. Those fish aren't gonna get away that time. All right, we're back. We charged up the phone. We got the waders on. We're coming back for revenge. Nope, little one, tiny little one. Ah, he came off, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Nope, maybe. Another little one, tiny little one. Pop off, please, pop off. Tiny little one, look at this guy. Okay, he popped off. Yeah, another one, jeez. Okay, we're gonna scoot down. Where are all the fishes? Oh, jeez, nice, okay. It's a little guy, but dang, that thing hit like a truck. Okay, finally got the hook out. This dude, just a little one, so we're gonna try to revive it real quick. Try to get it off on its way. There he goes, easy peasy. Right back into the flow. He's pretty tired, so. Oh, little one, tiny little one. That's a little dink. I think it's another cutthroat. There we go. There he goes. Oh, okay. Right frickin' here. Shit. I was hiding out. Where'd you come from, brother? Okay, hold on. Okay. Finding a lot of cutthroats back here. There's this one. Nice orange. Pretty big fellow there. Shoo, there he goes. Picking up fast, man. Picking up fast. Another one? Another little dink. Jesus. Just pop off, man. Just pop off. Come on. Man, we got the stink off, and all of a sudden these fish don't want to stop biting. This is just a little rainbow. That was a wild too. Let's get you back. Get you back in the water, buddy. Woo! There he goes. Can't even show you guys, I don't think. A beauty little rainbow. All right, I'm gonna move again. Oh, get out. Thank you. Oh, okay, that's a bigger one. Nice. Whoa, big one. Come on. Okay. Yeah, that's a good looking one. Holy smokes. Get your butt over here. Please do not spit it out this time. Okay. Get your butt over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's right. See, is it a wild though? Hold on, shut up. That's a wild. Okay, well, I don't usually want to keep these wilds. It doesn't look like it's 14 inches, so I'm probably just going to let this one go. But man, that's a good size. That is a beauty. Look at that. He's got some scars on him as well. Huh. Okay, there he goes. Okay. we go. There he goes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Opening day. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. Well, the sun finally makes an appearance when we're done, but that's all right. We had a good day fishing nonetheless. Well, that was opening day here in the Pacific Northwest, and yeah, it was fun. I'm definitely gonna be back, probably even tomorrow. So see you then.